Guys, in this video, we are going to be talking about how to break free from debt, lack and financial poverty and replace it by becoming financially stable in 2023. This will require a combination of you earning more money, spending less money, and for you to start making smart investments. So I'm about to give you some very practical steps for you to take so you can achieve financial freedom this year. Number 1, create a budget. A budget is your personal plan on the amount of money you're going to spend each month. Start creating your budget by listing all of your income. This should include your salary, any investments, your expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Creating a budget is your essential tool because it will enable you to better manage your money. It will also help you to keep on track with your income and expenses, so you can see where your money is going each month and to identify areas where you need to cut back on. Number 2, reduce your expense. This may sound simple, but why are you not doing so? Once you have your budget, you are then better equipped and able to start looking for ways to reduce your current over-the-top spending or whereby you are living above your means. One of the easiest ways to reduce your expenses is to cut back on any unnecessary spending, such as eating out, ordering takeaway food, buying expensive clothes, subscriptions you don't use, and entertainment. Shopping around for better deals on things like insurance, cell phone plans, and cable can also save you a lot of money in the long run. Another way to reduce your expenses is to look for ways to save on fixed costs, such as your rent or mortgage, by downsizing to a smaller home or apartment. Number three, increase your income. You really need to look into increasing your income to gain better financial stability. Why not pluck up the courage and ask your employer for a raise, but be prepared to give your reason for it. You may also need to look for a higher paying job, even if you have to retrain or upskill. You could start a side hustle business or do freelance work such as becoming a virtual assistant or online child sitting or even renting out a room in your home. Just go on Google and Google Airbnb and get the relevant information on how best to go about doing this. You could also rent out your car when you're not using it to bring in some extra money. Guys, now then, you want to make sure you stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of these practical steps to put in place for you to become financially free in 2023, so you can start saving and making more money to put aside for a rainy day or that well-deserved holiday. I will also have a bonus money-making strategy for you, which I will share with you later on in this video. So stay right there and I will be right back. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend Money Winners. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. I'm really excited to be sharing with you these easy, practical ways for you to break free from all your debt and money problems and for you to become financially free in 2023. Now then, do me a huge favor and please subscribe to this channel and hit that thumbs up button, which will help me enormously with the YouTube algorithm and with others finding my content. I would really appreciate it. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money, you will be updated on making things happen. Our mission is to build a community of people who are looking to become debt-free, make money online, prosper, be successful, and win big. Also, leave a comment letting me know how you're getting on with my recommendation. Now, let's dive right back into the video and how you can start your bid to becoming financially free and having that big bank account. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Number 4, invest your money. Investing your money will, of course, help it grow over a period of time. Of course, there are various ways for you to invest, and this could be in stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. However, before you begin your investment, it's so important for you to do your research and get a good understanding of the risks as well as your potential returns of each investment. Investing your money can help it grow over a period of time, but it's important for you to understand the risks and potential returns from your invest. Guys, it is a really common sense for you to diversify your investments so that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Number 5, pay off your debts. Paying off your debts require you to be sober-minded simply because high interest debts are certainly significant obstacles to you gaining that much needed financial stability for your future. You must learn to prioritize paying off your credit card debt, personal loans, and any other high interest debt as soon as possible, and consider consolidating your debt to make it easier for you to manage. Number 6, build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is going to be your new savings account specifically set aside for any unexpected expenses such as a car repair, medical emergency, or even a job loss. This will certainly help you stay away from taking on more debt where an unexpected expense does come up. One recommendation from Money Expert is that you begin saving enough money to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in case of an emergency. Number 7, get professional advice. Whatever questions you have, Number seven, get professional advice. Whatever questions you have, or if you need help working out or developing your plan to become financially stable, then for sure it would be beneficial for you to speak to a financial advisor or planner, because they can certainly help you create a personalized plan in order for you to reach your financial goals, as well as providing you with sound guidance on investing, retirement planning, and other financial matters. My bonus tip today is for you to realize that you must take responsibility for your own emotional actions. What do I mean by this? Please don't place your responsibility for your emotion on others. Don't play the blame game on others for the decision you make regarding your overspending, as pointing the finger at others will only serve to decrease your sense of personal accountability and responsibility. With every investment, there is a risk, yet people continue to invest and succeed in life. Now then, guys, in summary, by following these simple steps, you are surely placing yourself in a good position to take back control of your finances and work towards achieving financial stability. Please bear in mind that this is not a one-time process, but a journey of continuous improvement, review, and adjustment. It will also push you towards having a combination of earning more money, spending less money, making good and sound investments, and seeking professional advice. Just by simply taking the time to understand your income and expenses, you can create a budget, reduce your expenses, increase your income, invest your money, pay off your debts, build your emergency fund, and create a plan for achieving your financial freedom. However, you must remember to put in place a good lifetime habit of monitoring and adjusting your budget, expenses, income, and investments as your circumstances change. So you can see there are several ways that you can break the cycle of debt and lack of money just by following these simple, easy, practical steps, which will break your negative mindset and launch you into becoming financially free and gaining your independence again. I truly hope this video helps you, and thanks again for stopping by. This is Lorna Recommend Money Winners, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button on the way out, and leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys.